Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today we provide just brief update on the Bitcoin market. Yesterday we talked about the possible deep retracement and we still keep this scenario valid. As you can see, market has turned to some sideways consolidation. Yes, downward action hasn't started by the Napoli double repo pattern, so market turns to some flat action. But at the same time it stands rather tight in the same area and creates multiple potential bearish patterns. So first of all, the bottom line has been completed up. I would suggest that here we'll probably also have the divergence with the MACD indicator. And everything that was said yesterday about the possible deep retracement, because market actually here has formed bullish reversal swing, and usually when a reversal swing is forming, market shows the deep retracement. So we're still keep watching for possible downside pullback here. Potentially, very often happens when the market forms the butterfly, it very often becomes the part of the larger bearish reversal pattern, which is head and shoulders. And that's very often happens. And that's why another scenario that we are keeping here is the turning of the butterfly here to possible head and shoulders patterns. You probably already could recognize it. It's really not really big difficulty here. So that is how it could look like. We have 127 head and shoulders pattern, so something of that sort could be formed. Here with the probable retracement down to 50% or even 618, some deeper level here this market could reach. That's approximately the scenario for the few sessions that we have on Bitcoin market. Also guys, in the weekend we put on the forum our regular traditional sentiment analysis of the Bitcoin market. There are some important news have been released on the cryptocurrency markets in March, and they have and could have significant impact on the sentiment. Currently we treat sentiment as moderately bearish on the market because some important events have happened. If you would like to know more about this, you could read our report in the weekend somewhere in a Saturday, I suppose. I will put it on the forum. So, for example, as you know, the Vitalik Buterin, the creator of the Ethereum, cashed approximately the half of the Ethereums that it have that he has. So, and I think that is a very important moment for a sentiment. But it's not the major event. So, a lot of interesting stuff has happened. That being said, on short-term Bitcoin market, we're still watching for a retracement, and potentially this retracement could start by this head and shoulders pattern. As soon as the reaction down will be completed, we will see what will happen with the 4088 target that we have on the daily. Because if you remember, that was our very important signal that market is not tending lower yet. It's not breaking yet the overall tendency to the upside. And here the possible pullback here we're treating just as a retracement, because potentially would not exclude the chance that 4085 target still will be hit with the perspective of the week maybe, because market stands not really too far from this target. So that's our view on Bitcoin. Let's see what will happen today and beginning of next week, and see what price action will follow with our head and shoulders pattern here.